to the audiobook of New Social Studies, Grade 10. Unit 6, Lesson 9, page number 200. North America, Economic Activities and Social Life. Introduction. North America has now become the dreamland for majority of the people in the world. The economic condition of North America is strong because of the enough availability of skilled manpower and maximum utilization of resources. Canada and USA occupy the most of the lands in North America. The study of economic activities and social life of Canada and USA represent the economic activities and social life of whole North America. Canada. Canada is the second largest country in the world. It occupies most of the northern portion of North America, which is 41% of the continent. Before European contact, Canada was inhabited by the native people called the Inuit, I-N-U-I-T, who lived in the northern part of Canada. Most scholars believe that Inuits migrated across the Bering Strait to North America. They lead a nomadic life far away from the cities, and thus most people have retained their traditional ways. However, later people from France and Britain started migrating to Canada. They brought along with them the modern ways of life, which has influenced the life of the native people. Besides, people from Britain and France, many people from Asia too have migrated and settled down in Canada. At present, people from all over the world can be found there. Canada is very rich in natural resources. Its per capita income is about $50,000 and this record is from 2015 AD. Forest is one of the most important resources of Canada. About 49% of the total land area of Canada is covered with the coniferous forest. The timber is used in the manufacture of pulp and paper. Lumbering has been Canada's chief industries from the earliest days. Logs are floated down the rivers to the saw mills. The forest resource has been of great economic advantage to Canada. Canada is rich in minerals and power. There are many mineral-based industries. The important minerals are iron ore, copper, nickel, lead, zinc, gold, silver, platinum, and asbestos, A-S-B-E-S-T-O-S. It has large deposits of coal, petrol, and natural gas as well. Hydropower station at Niagara Falls in Canada and US generates huge amount of power for industries in both the countries. The abundance of power and mineral resources has provided the basis for industrial development of Canada. The prairies of Canada have become a good ground for animal husbandry and agriculture. Cattle and pigs are reared for the meat and milk. Some parts of prairies of Canada have now been replaced by wheat cultivation. It is the second largest exporter of wheat in the world next to the USA. Eastern and western parts of Canada are favorable for growing potatoes and fruits such as apples. The rivers of Canada are very suitable for producing hydroelectricity and for fishing industry. 49% of the total land is covered with forest. Large pulp industries are run from raw materials available from the soft coniferous woods. Logs are floated down the rivers to saw mills. Canada has been benefited from the forest to a great extent. Minerals are very important there. Large-scale industries based on mineral run here. Copper, nickel, zinc, iron, asbestos, and silver are important. Abundant coal, petrol, and gas are available. Large amount of wheat is grown on the prairies. Canada is the second largest exporter of wheat. Ships are used for its export. Potatoes are widely grown in the east and fruits are grown in the west. Especially apple is grown here. Gold and platinum. Water is useful for hydroelectricity and fishing. Fishing profession runs very well on the ocean. Pigs and cattle are kept for milk and meat. Industries are well developed. The USA. The United States of America is known as the melting pot of cultures. People from all over the world have come and settled here. This trend of migration started 200 to 300 years ago after the European discovered America. Even today, the process of migration to the USA is continued. About 12% of the total population is African American. Their ancestors were either brought or came from Africa. Most of the people of the USA have come from Europe. Many Asians have also permanently settled in the USA. The USA is endowed with both natural and human resources. The northern part of the country has large area under coniferous forest. Forest-based industries that produce wood pulp, paper, and newsprint are well developed here. Lumbering also provides employment to a large number of people. The United States is a major producer of petroleum and coal. The Gulf Coast is the main producing area of petroleum. Copper mines are located in Rocky Mountains. The central lowlands of USA is very rich in agricultural production. The prairie grasslands in USA have been converted into wheat lands. Maize, also known as corn, is grown over large areas in the USA. Cash crops such as cotton is grown in southeastern USA. Tobacco is grown in southern USA. Sugarcane grows well in the Gulf Coast region of USA. California grows fruits like grapes, oranges, limes, etc. California grows the best grapes in the world and produces 90% of the wine in North America. Thus, California is also called the wine country. Due to suitable land and large land holdings per person, the farming practice in USA is mechanized. As a matter of fact, its production is more than its consumption. Therefore, its surplus agricultural productions are exported. Almost all parts of the USA are suitable for agriculture, cattle rearing, and minerals. Animal rearing, especially cattle rearing, has developed on a commercial scale in the USA. Cattle are reared for beef and for dairy. Cattle and pigs are reared in the temperate grasslands in the interior and western USA. The USA is the largest producer of beef in the world. Northeast coastal areas and Gulf region have developed as important fishing centers. Western part of the USA with mountain ranges is rich in natural beauty. It is famous for tourism. Besides industries, trade, business are equally advanced and developed along with advancement of science and technology. The per capita income of the USA is about $51,638.10 US dollar. And this data is also from 2015 AD. Important areas and crops or fruits. Near Gulf of Mexico in the southeast, cotton, sugarcane, paddy. Coastal areas in the east, peanuts, tobacco, sugar beet. Central USA, wheat, maize, soybean. Southeast and southwest USA, oranges and grapes. Economic activities of USA and Canada. In USA, people involved in various jobs. There are 75% in service, 20% in industry, 3% in agriculture and fishing, 2% in mining. In Canada, people involved in various jobs, 63% in service, 24% in industries, 5% in mining, and 8% in agriculture and fishing. Activities, page number 203. Number 1. Make a list of the economic activities of North America. Number 2. Why do most of the people of the world want to migrate to the USA and Canada? Discuss and write the regions. 3. Write about the social life of North America. Exercise, short answer questions. Number 1. Write a short note on the topic Social Life of North America. Number 2. With the help of Atlas, find the big and dense settlements of North America and write their names. Number 3. Make a list of the economic activities of North America. Number 4. Why is the per capita income of USA and Canada high? Write your logics. Number 5. Why is the economic status of North America improved? Write the regions. Number 6. Why are the eastern parts of Canada and the USA more developed than the western parts? Long answer question. The agriculture is commercial in the USA and Canada. What should we learn from them to make our agriculture commercialized? Write in points. Project work. Make a political and a physical map of North America and paste on the wall of your classroom. This is the end of Unit 6, Lesson 9. This podcast is dedicated to visually impaired students. So if you know anybody who needs this book to listen and learn, please share the link and also please subscribe the channel. Thank you and all the best.